A very good evening to you. I'm Dwayne Burbick with your Business Day. At least one player in the hemp industry is raising questions over the continued policy of restricting the growth and production of hemp in Jamaica, while the same products can be imported and sold legally. That player is Gary Burke, the operator of Hemp Yard. Dashan Hendricks reports.
Jamaica has long talked about developing a hemp industry alongside a ganja one, but hemp, a plant relating to ganja with less psychoactive properties, has not received the attention ganja has. However, Gary Burke, managing director of Hemp Yard, a hemp distribution company, says it should, given it is an industrial commodity.
I'd really love to see a proper industry put up here where we can generate employment for people, and we're also looking at 25,000 different industries, because hemp can give you 25,000 different byproducts. So we're looking at 25,000 different industries. That's a whole lot of employment here for people and a whole lot of revenue that can be generated.
But he says he has been forced to import hemp products into the island instead of being able to grow the plant.
We're not doing any kind of, growing or manufacturing locally. In the not too distant future, once things are formalized from a policy framework, and we can probably consider doing that. But for the time being, what we have to do is be importing these products, you understand me, and making it readily available to customers here in Jamaica.
For the time being, he says he's providing education about hemp to let people know this is an industrial product with multiple uses Jamaica could benefit from if the plant is exploited to produce food, fuel, fiber, and medicine.
You have the fabric, you have fuels, you have composite materials. Henry Ford used it as far back as 1934, where he actually made a car body using hemp composite material, which is stronger than steel and lighter.
The other area to be tackled, he said, is financing. His experience, the bank he approached to finance his company's development shied away. But he says he's hoping attitudes will change to a plant which itself is not illegal in Jamaica. For the Business Day, I am Dashan Hendricks.
Let's look at currency trading now, which ended today with the US dollar selling for $128.95. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $96.24, down a whopping $1.32. The pound sterling costs $164.77, while the euro is going for $140.40. And trading on the Jamaica Stock Exchange ended with the main JC Market Index up more than 1,005 points, while the Junior Market Index gained more than 52. The winners of the day included 1834 Investments, Caribbean Cream, Honey Bun, Jamaica Producers, the JMB Group, Main Event Entertainment, the Scotia Group, and T-Tech. On the losing end were Carb Cement, Dolphin Cove, Grace Kennedy, Jamaican Teas, Radio Jamaica, and Supreme Ventures. And that's the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Good evening.